Dear investors, today we will break down a common technique of technical analysis called divergence analysis. Divergence analysis helps you make sense of charts where the price and an indicator are telling you different things. Let's take an example of company ABC, whose price is reaching new highs. This can be a signal that the price is on an upward rally. ये सिग्नल देखकर कोई इन्वेस्टर्स लॉन्ग पोजीशन ले सकते हैं. But investors always check technical indicators alongside price trends while trading. These indicators are available on the IIFL platforms. One such indicator is the relative strength index, and ये indicator एक अलग story बता सकता है. As stock price reaches new highs, RSI can touch lower highs. This is a negative divergence. It could suggest that the price is about to reverse and fall. A positive divergence happens when a price movement is touching lows, but a technical indicator is moving in the opposite direction. To know more, log on to www.indiainfoline.com. Subscribe to our channel to know the markets better. Download the IIFL Markets app to start your trading journey.